Hello, lawn mowing people. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you how you set up your business on Google My Business so it shows up on Google Maps. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to go to your Gmail account. So if you go to your Gmail account, either use the account that you've got or add another account. So if you're going to use another account, so go create account to manage my business. And so you put in your details here. And so I'm going to call it Lucky Lawns. I'll put on 101 just because that's what I use for my businesses, but you don't have to do that. So probably hasn't got an E in it, and for a password you will just go with this. Next. Now there you go. It'll remember that and put in my phone number. Put in my recovery address. Always put in an email. That's your main email. Here is your recovery. And your birthday. And next. And next, you agree to these terms and conditions? Yes, I agree. So now we're ready to set up a business. So continue. Business name, Lucky Lawns. Now you see here it's actually bought it. See, there's somebody here in the USA with Lucky Lawns, and there's a Lucky Lawn too, but I won't worry too much about that because I'm in New Zealand, so I'm miles away. So continue. Now what you are is you're a service business, so just click next. Business category. Now they don't have lawn mowing because it's American, so you'll have a lawn care service will be the one that you want. You could pick gardener if you want. You can actually pick two categories if you want later on, so it doesn't really matter too much. So area that you serve, well, this is where you probably want to do a little bit more work on this later on, but I'd say Hamilton, New Zealand. Here you go. Next. What I'd suggest is that you actually have a look through your suburbs that you want to service and type all of those suburbs in there. You can put quite a few in there, but if you put like the suburbs that surround you, so put 8, maybe 10 suburbs in there. So the contact number for the customers. Now we're going to leave this website empty at the moment. So we'll just go next. Now it'll say, right, put the business on the map. You probably want to do this. This will just give you a little bit of help. I get tons of this stuff, so I don't need another account telling me that. And you see I've got a business that's so what they want to do is they want to verify the business. Now we're at number 53 Road to Carry. I'm going to put in the neighbour's address because my business Gecko Lawns is registered at number 53, so I wouldn't be able to actually verify that. And so what it's going to do is it's now going to send me a text to my phone and give me a verification number. So I'll go text. Now I've opened up my phone. Here's the verification code. Verify. Code has been accepted. Next. Now this is asking what kind of work that you're doing. So we do lawn mowing. You could probably put, if you don't see your thing there, you can put it down here. So if you were doing gardening, let's say. And you could say hedge trimming. Just basically put all the services that you provide there, and then when you're ready, go next. For your business hours, remember this is basically when are you free to receive calls. It's not so much when your shop's open, but don't put that you're open 24 hours a day, because that's a good way of getting suspended. So what I normally do is I normally just put down that they Monday to Friday it's open from 7 to 7, maybe Saturday 10 to 4, maybe Sunday 10 to 4 as well. So I'll do one of them for you so you can see. So we'll say Sunday we start at 10 a.m. in the morning. We close at let's say 4 p.m. in the afternoon. That sounds kind of reasonable. You don't want unbelievable hours in here, because that's another thing that'll get you suspended. You've got to be fairly careful with this. Then you press the next button. Now add messaging. Messaging is really great because customers can message you directly on the phone. We get these messages all the time for our business, so we'll accept that. Add a business description. So what I normally do there is they want something there, so they want 750 characters. So in order to make a business description, I'm going to go to ChatGPT. I'm going to say, can I have a short business description for this business? Lucky Lawns, based in Hamilton, New Zealand, does lawn mowing, gardens and hedge trimming. Because I'm not much of a writer, and this seems to do a pretty good job, and it saves you having to do the work yourself or try and be a writer when you're not. So yeah, that looks pretty good to me. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So we'll go in here, put it in as our business description. Yep, sounds good. Go to next.